Hi everyone, welcome to the Dave's World YouTube channel. So I had a lot of people contact me because they wanted the parts that I was making for Gen 1 and Gen 2 Cruzes, so I decided to start a website called supercruzes.com.
Hey everybody, welcome to Dave's World. So, this is the first ever Malibu adjustable billet wastegate. This wastegate's good for getting over 40 psi out of a Malibu. You can get as high a boost as you want. The car is limited to whatever the computer is calling for. So the average tuned Malibu is about 25 psi. The average non-tuned Malibu is about, on average, 12 to 15 psi. And this is basically designed to give you all the boost whenever you want. Previously, it's pretty crazy. General Motors designed this wastegate to not be serviceable. So if you have a bad wastegate, you have to replace the entire turbocharger, which is why I came out with this wastegate. And on top of that, they come with a lifetime warranty because I believe in this product 1000%. So what I'm going to do today is show you guys how to install this on a turbo. Now this is one of my billet OEM turbochargers that are upgraded from the factory. These are replacements, so if you have a bad turbo on your Malibu, you get one of these guys and you can order them with an upgraded wastegate and some other stuff. This one does have the diverter. It's not supposed to have it on here. I just put it on here for test fitting, and I wanted to show people basically what it looks like. But this is pretty much how it's going to be sitting in the vehicle. It pretty much sits like this in your vehicle, and I wanted to show people how to get the original wastegate out. For starters, underneath here is a little clip that you have to pull out. If you simply take a flathead screwdriver and hit the clip at the right angle, it pulls right off the turbocharger. This is just known as a C-clip. I paused the video for a second just so I can give you a tip. If you happen to have a magnet, put a magnet next to the C-clip, so just in case you drop the C-clip, the magnet will catch it instead of it falling into the engine bay. The next thing you have to do is remove these bolts. They're typically 10 millimeters, and remove this clamp.
Hey, everybody, listen. When I look at my algorithm, I see that more than 50% of everybody that watches my videos are not even subscribed. Subscribe, it's free. And when you subscribe, you get to see really cool videos that you didn't even know existed.
Okay, so this wastegate does come preloaded. It's ready to install. And it also comes with this little adapter ring. I always put the adapter ring in first. Now, the wastegate is not going to line up. This is normal. When you pull the wastegate to the right, it sets the preload on the wastegate. Then you're going to take the provided C-clip and you're going to slide the C-clip right onto the turbo. I usually use a pair of pliers. And then install the mounting nuts.